This is Becky at WorkPath Visas, and today I'm going to show you how to navigate the U.S. Visa Bulletin so you can track your visa progress with confidence. In order to read the tables that I'm going to show you on this video, you're going to need to know your priority date, which is the date that we filed your 9089 with the Department of Labor. Now, this is a date that you're going to want to remember throughout your visa process with us, so we suggest just memorizing it. The first thing we're going to have you do is get to the official Department of State website, which is travel.state.gov. I would suggest just going to a browser and typing in U.S. Visa Bulletin. Make sure you're going to the Department of State. Click the link. And then we're going to scroll down and click on the most current Visa Bulletin. If the upcoming Visa Bulletin has been posted, it will show here, and you can click on that one to see what the results are. But since we do not have one of those currently posted on the website, we are going to click on May of 2026. So once you're inside, we are going to scroll down. There's some stuff up here that doesn't pertain to you. It's family-sponsored things. Even if you're bringing your family with, it is not what we're looking for in this chart. So what we're looking for is this employment-based preferences section right here. In our program, most of the drivers are in this skilled workers category, which is the third preference. Okay, you'll see that right here. There are some guys from our program in the early days who were listed in the other category, but most are in the skilled workers. So the next thing we're going to do is scroll down to this final action dates for employment-based preference cases, and we're going to look at these tables right here. So you are going to want to find this third preference category again. This is where your skilled worker application is filed, just like we talked about before. So to see where you stand, compare your priority date, which again is the date we first filed your 9089, to the date listed in this chart. If your date is on or before the one shown, your status is considered current or active. This means you have the green light that allows the consulate to move forward with scheduling your visa interview. So as an example, let's take a look at the data we see here on this chart for May of 2026, which is when we're recording this video. The bulletin is currently showing a date of June 1st, 2024. This means that the government is now finalizing applications that were originally filed about 2 years ago. So by comparing today's date to the date in this chart, you can get a real-time estimate of the timeline of how long it is taking to get a visa right now. So based on this specific bulletin from May of 2026, the process from filing to the interview is currently taking just shy of 2 years. So the one thing I want you to know is that this is just a snapshot in time. It is not a guarantee. The bulletin can what we call retrogress, which means move backward, or also stall, where it would stay on the same date for months. So that does happen from time to time. So in summary here, the road to visa is a marathon. It's not a sprint. We want you to be able to know how to use these tables to stay informed, patient, and remember that every update we send out and every update that's shared online brings you 1 month closer to your goal. So if you have any questions about your specific priority date, reach out to the team. We're always here to help. Thanks. Bye-bye.